In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the purge solenoid valve on this GMC Sierra. This is going to be attached to the intake manifold. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this tube. Just push down on this lock. Slide this back out of the way. There's another one on the other side. Disconnect this one. This one I'm going to push up. Slide that to the side. We're going to loosen up the worm clamp right here using an 8mm socket. Loosen that up. Using a 8mm socket, loosen up this worm clamp. You can slide this pipe off. And just grab the box and pull it back. You can see the purge valve right here. There's a line that goes back to the fuel tank area. We're just going to push down on this little button, and then we can slide the line off. Slide that off, so that's the button that you're pushing. Now that's out of the way. There's a connector right here. We're going to disconnect that connector once the purge valve is out to make it easier. Using a 10mm socket, loosen up the bolt. Take the bolt out. Grab the purge valve. Slide that out. See where the connector is. There's a little lock on that. Just use a straight blade screwdriver. Just push back on the lock. And we can push down. If you need to, you can just go underneath here with a pick or a screwdriver and disconnect the connector. There we go. There's the valve. Take the new purge valve, connect the connector, and push down on that lock tab. We'll get this lined up. Push that in. Get the bolt started. And snug that down. That's good. Take the hose, get this lined up, push that down, and make sure it's locked in place. That's good. I'll take this air box, push this in place, and get this snorkel tube on. Tighten down the clamp and tighten this down. Snug it up and tighten this down. That's good. Now take the hose, get that tube lined up, lock it down, and same on the other side. This lined up. And lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.